Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a whirligig. So the materials you'll need are some recycled cardboard, some kitchen string, some glue, a pencil, some scissors, some plain paper, and we're going to be drawing some circles. So I'm just using a lid that I got from my kitchen to draw some circles. Okay, to start off with, we need two circle shapes. So I'm just going to trace around like so. Okay, there we go. So you end up with two circles like this. Cut out your circles and you need two, like so. With your circles, decorate them however you like, using pencils, crowns, whatever you have at home. So you end up with something like this. When you created your design, you need to glue the back. Plenty of glue. You want it to stick really well. And you need your cardboard. I'm going to put your design on the cardboard like that. Okay, the next thing we do is cut around the circle. So cut through the cardboard like this. Alright, so when we're finished cutting, turn it over and we're going to glue the other design on the other side. Okay, so we're going to glue the other side, so you might find it easier just to glue the cardboard. So once again, plenty of glue like this, and then you're going to put your other design on. So, okay, it's looking really good. Okay, now we need to punch some holes in it using our pencil. So you need a nice sharp pencil. You might need Mum and Dad's help for this. Okay, so just using your pencil and pushing through all the layers like that. And another one. Okay, like that. Okay, next you need to cut a length of string, and we're going to use that string to thread through the holes we've created. Okay, that's the tricky bit done. When you've threaded your string through, tie a knot in the end. Okay, once you've tied off your string, hold both ends of the string and put your whirligig in the middle, and you want to twist it a few times. Twist and twist and twist. And then spin and spin and spin. Have fun.